Saint Maria Goretti. Maria was a beautiful Italian girl of 12 who lived on a farm. One day, Alessandro, a 19-year-old boy who was working on the farm, stopped at Maria's house and wanted to do wrong with her. "No, no," Maria cried out. "Do not touch me, Alessandro. It is a sin. You will go to hell." When Maria began to fight him, he took a knife and stabbed her 14 times. Maria fell to the floor with a cry of pain. "Oh God, I am dying, Mama." Alessandro ran out of the room. Maria was taken to the hospital and suffered there for 2 days. When the priest asked her if she would forgive her murderer, she said, "Yes, I forgive him for the love of Jesus, and I want him to be with me in heaven. May God forgive him." Maria died kissing the crucifix and holding a medal of the Blessed Virgin Mary. This happened in 1902. Maria Goretti was canonized by Pope Pius XII in 1950. She was chosen to be the patron of boys and girls that she might help them to be pure. Saint Maria Goretti, please pray for us.